Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel, The Daily Technologies. In this video, we're going to talk about foldable phones and whether they are the future of mobile devices. In recent years, foldable phones have become a hot topic in the tech industry, with companies such as Samsung, Huawei, and Motorola releasing their own foldable phone models. So, let's dive right in and explore the world of foldable phones. So, what are foldable phones? Simply put, foldable phones are smartphones that have screens that can fold in half. The screen is made up of a flexible material that allows the phone to bend without breaking. This allows the phone to have a larger screen when it's opened up, but can also be folded up to fit in your pocket. One of the main advantages of foldable phones is their larger screen size. When opened up, the phone can have a tablet-like screen, making it easier to watch videos, play games, and even multitask. However, when it's folded up, it becomes much more compact and easier to carry around. This is in contrast to traditional smartphones, which have a fixed screen size. While there are larger smartphones available, they can still be quite bulky and not as easy to carry around. Foldable phones offer a solution to this problem, as they can provide a larger screen without sacrificing portability. Another advantage of foldable phones is their versatility. With their larger screens, they can be used in a variety of different ways. For example, they can be used as a mini laptop, allowing you to type and work on the go. They can also be used as an e-reader, providing a more immersive reading experience. However, there are also some disadvantages to foldable phones. One of the main concerns is their durability. As the screen is made up of a flexible material, it's more prone to damage than a traditional smartphone screen. This has led to some users experiencing issues with the screen cracking or malfunctioning. Another concern is the price. Foldable phones are currently quite expensive, with prices ranging from $1,000 to $2,000. This puts them out of reach for many consumers, making them more of a luxury item than a practical mobile device. So, are foldable phones the future of mobile devices? While they do offer some unique advantages, such as a larger screen size and increased versatility, their high price and durability concerns mean that they may not become the dominant form of mobile device in the near future. However, that's not to say that foldable phones don't have a place in the market. For some users, they may be the perfect solution, offering a unique combination of portability and screen size. And as technology continues to improve, it's likely that we'll see more affordable and durable foldable phone models being released. So, there you have it. Foldable phones may not be the future of mobile devices, but they certainly offer some exciting possibilities for those who are willing to invest in them. One thing is for sure, the future of foldable phones is still uncertain. Some experts believe that they could be the future of mobile devices, while others think that they may just be a passing trend. However, it's clear that foldable phones have the potential to change the way we use mobile devices. Another area where foldable phones could have an impact is in the world of gaming. With their larger screens, foldable phones could provide a more immersive gaming experience, allowing users to play games on a larger scale. So, that's it for our video on foldable phones. What do you think? Are foldable phones the future of mobile devices? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech videos like this one. Also, remember to follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.